Towards the end, one Lajna member asked a question regarding parda.
The minimum requirement of parda is that you cover your head, your hairs, and your chin, and your cheeks. And then like this. That is the minimum requirement for that. If you are fulfilling this one, then it is okay. This is what the Prophet Messiah Islam has told us, that this is the minimum requirement a woman should do. But at the same time, with this type of parda, you should not do any makeup. If you have done any makeup, then at least you should cover your face, right? As some of the Lajna members are doing, right? Otherwise, if you are not doing any makeup, this is the minimum requirement as you are now. And that is enough for Lajna members. And their dress should also be not very tight. So then, it is, if you are fulfilling this requirement, then it is enough for you.
Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khairan. Yeah.
Right?